creativity? It's an invisible force that shapes our world, from the symphony of a great musical masterpiece to the strategic planning in corporate boardrooms. Let's start with a personal story. Picture this: a critical project deadline looming, and the usual solutions just won't cut it. In that moment of pressure, a spark of creativity led to an unconventional approach, solving the problem in a way never thought possible. This isn't just my story, it's a narrative shared by many, showcasing the transformative power of creative thinking. Creativity isn't confined to paintbrushes and canvases. It's a dynamic force present in every aspect of our lives. At its core, creativity is about generating new ideas, approaches, or solutions that are not only novel, but also effective and useful. It's a common misconception that creativity is a rare gift bestowed upon a select few. However, research and real-world examples tell a different story. Creativity is a universal trait, like a muscle that can be developed with practice and persistence. Whether you're a scientist experimenting in a lab, a teacher engaging students, or an entrepreneur devising business strategies, creativity is your silent partner, guiding you towards innovation and success. The world of creative thinking is rich with theories that attempt to unravel the mysteries of the mind. The associative theory, for instance, proposed by thinkers like Mednick, suggests that creativity is the ability to meaningfully connect seemingly unrelated ideas. Imagine a chef experimenting with unexpected flavor combinations to create a novel dish. Then there's the cognitive theory, which looks at the mental processes involved in creative thinking. This theory explores how we use our memory, attention, and reasoning skills to generate creative ideas. The psychologist Robert Sternberg's investment theory of creativity, for example, proposes that creative thinkers are like good investors. They buy low and sell high in the world of ideas. They propose ideas that are initially undervalued but eventually gain recognition. Another fascinating perspective is the role of the subconscious mind in creativity. Psychoanalytic theories, like those proposed by Freud, suggest that our deepest desires and emotions, stored in the subconscious, can fuel creative expression. This is often seen in artists and writers whose works reveal deeper truths about the human condition. The journey of creativity doesn't occur in isolation. It's influenced by a myriad of factors. Environment plays a crucial role. Spaces that are open, flexible, and provide a sense of safety can stimulate creative thinking. Psychological factors are equally important. A mindset that embraces curiosity, openness to new experiences, and a willingness to take risks is fertile ground for creativity. Then, there's the social dimension. Collaboration and exposure to diverse perspectives can ignite creative sparks. However, creativity can also be stifled by factors like stress, fear of failure, and an overly critical environment. Personal narratives abound of artists, scientists, and entrepreneurs who have navigated these challenges, finding their creative voice in the process. The path of creativity is seldom straightforward. It's a complex dance with several stages, famously outlined by Graham Wallace in his 4-stage model. The first stage, preparation, is where one immerses themselves in the problem, gathering information and resources. Then comes incubation, a period of subconscious processing where no direct effort is made to solve the problem. This is followed by the illumination or aha moment, where the solution or idea suddenly becomes clear. The final stage, verification, involves refining and testing the idea. Each stage is crucial and requires patience and persistence.